Right lads, so today we will be reviewing what's in the Microsoft Surface keyboard. Well, not reviewing really, but just checking what's in there. So we've got one here, and I have always been fascinated the way they've manufactured it or put it all together. It's really intelligent engineering, really, I would say. So let's have a look. So what I think really is you need scissors and this blade. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, so look. So yeah, okay, so that's the blade there. So let's just get started. So probably will have to think, just trying to cut it from here, and right, okay, so it's properly glued, and then I'm gonna make a cut here. So that should take off the right, okay, so still okay, that's fine. So let's just basically just get rid of all the sides. There you go. Oh, it's coming off. So from here, so let's just try to put my, I hope you can see, yeah, okay. Oops. That feels like plastic and that's good. Just gonna take this off from there, that's good. Okay. Right, because this is somewhat connected to or glued to this layer here, this connection section, I would separate it like that. It's just a lot easier for me to pull it in that way. Okay, some sort of sealing or something. Okay, it's coming out, that's good. Not really clean, but you know what I mean. This is like a, it's not like a silicone, but different. There you go. Okay, so we've done the rear section, so we need to, this is coming off as well. Well, it's basically, just thinking if this is separate than the keyboard, I think, the buttons basically, yeah it is, so that's good. So that way we don't have to take off the buttons. Okay. Let's just take this off as well. Difficult, but yeah. Just thinking, yeah, take off from there. Sorry guys, I'm doing this for the first time, so I'm not really an expert on taking this on and off, but there you go. I've made a mincemeat of this, but right. Yeah, okay. So these are the magnets which then stick to the actual tablet. I can get this separate actually. Okay, so it seems to me that it's right. Okay, so this is the connection, basically joint, which then connects to the actual tablet, and these two little pillars, this one and this one, seems to hold the keyboard in place. So then you've got magnets which are probably on, which is basically here and here, and then you should have two here or maybe more in the middle, don't know yet, but yeah, so this is how it's basically in place. And then I can see this ribbon cable here, which then connects, and which then basically connects to this thing here. Well, there's nothing much really about this keyboard apart from a very intelligently designed keyboard. And then you have this cloth, I would say, or a cover in place, and that's it really. There's nothing much about this keyboard. I'm sorry if I've wasted your time, but I just wanted to open this up really and have a look. So yeah, that's all we have in the Microsoft Surface Pro keyboard. It's just great. Okay, thank you so much.